How you doing? It's Chris Yakimchuk here, owner of Yaks Fitness. Welcome to our Yaks Fitness YouTube channel. In the whole series, we've been demonstrating different pieces of equipment. Today, we're going to be demonstrating the Glute Kickback Machine, and Hiab's going to do a fine job, as she always does, demonstrating this one. So in this machine, she's simply kneeling down here. She's keeping her upper body totally out of the movement. She's getting a full range, kicking it out. And you're going to notice her top of her glute is engaging. Yeah, it's unbelievable engagement here. And a good stretch at 90 degrees. She's bringing that knee right into her chest, stretching it out, and really contracting it in. It's a really simple piece of equipment, and it works. And you don't need a lot of weight on this machine. So subscribe to the video. Make sure you're liking the video, if anything, and subscribing to our channel. I'm going to show you lots of different machines in here. Nice job. Nice job.